Hi friends, precise before you, this is C. Nagesh pursuing second year BiPC from TTWREIS Boys Miryalaguda. Friends, before going to the topic, let me ask some questions. Where do we live? We live on earth. Yes friends, we live on earth. How many things they are surrounded on the earth? There are many things which are surrounded on the earth like trees, buildings, shrubs, herbs, and also living things and non-living things. There are many things which are surrounded on the earth. So friends, all these things together is known as, it is known as environment, my dear friends. It is known as environment. Do you all think that our environment is pure? No friends, our environment is not absolutely pure, because it is getting polluted day by day. Our environment is getting polluted day by day. So friends, in this session we are going to learn about the environmental chemistry. So environmental chemistry, my dear friends, what is this environmental chemistry? Before knowing about the environmental chemistry, let us know about the environmental pollution. What is this environmental pollution? The undesirable change in the surrounding places which affect plants, animals and the human causes and also affects the humans is known as environmental pollution. Again, let us recall the definition. What is this environmental pollution? The undesirable change in our surrounding places which causes effect to the plants, animals and the living organisms is known as environmental pollution. And next, let us know about the pollutants. What is this pollutant? Is this a new term for us? No friend, this is familiar to us, but it is new to you all and we all also friends. So, pollutants. What is the definition of pollutant? Those pollutions which affects the environment. Those pollution which affects the environment is known as pollutant. Do you all agree with this definition? Those pollutant which causes effect to the environment is known as pollutant. So friends, there are two forms of pollutant for us. The first form of pollutant is primary pollutant. Primary pollutant are the pollutant which are from the natural exist. They are from the natural exist. Example, nitrogen dioxide, nitrogen monoxide, sulfur dioxide. So primary pollutant examples are nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen monoxide. Coming to the secondary pollutant. Secondary pollutant are the pollutant which are from the primary pollutant but not from the natural exist. Friends, just listen here. They are from the primary pollutant but not from the natural exist. So example of secondary pollutant are pan. What is this pan, friends? Do you all think those pan which mummy used to make dosa? Or is the pan India movie? No friends, this pan is related to our chemistry subject. The full form of pan is peroxyacetylene nitrate. The full form of pan is peroxyacetylene nitrate. Coming to the second form of pollutant, those are biodegradable pollutant. What is this biodegradable pollutant? Biodegradable pollutants are the pollutants which are composed of microorganisms. They are composed of microorganisms. Example, discarded vegetables, flowers, leaves and all this organic waste. And all this organic waste, discarded vegetables and flowers, leaves and all this organic waste comes under the biodegradable pollutants. Coming to the non-biodegradable pollutants. What are those non-biodegradable pollutants? Those pollutants which are not at all decomposed of microorganisms. Those pollutants which are not composed of microorganisms. Example, DDT. Dichloro, diethyl, trichloroethane is DDT. And also the heavy metals, plastic materials and also which are not at all composed of microorganisms. These all the materials which are seen here, they are not at all composed of microorganisms, friends. and these are biodegradable and these are non-biodegradable. These are composed of microorganisms and these are not at all composed of microorganisms. Example, discarded vegetables, leaves, trees, plants, shrubs, herbs and etc. from the biodegradable. Non-biodegradable like discarded and also very rusting metals, iron metals, any other metals, plastic metals, tin, etc. are the non-biodegradable pollutants. Now friends, can anyone say me that what are the parts of environment? What are the parts of environment, friends? There are 4 parts, friends. What are those? Yes, friends. The first part is atmosphere. The first part is atmosphere. And the second one is hydrosphere. And the third one is lithosphere. And the fourth one is biosphere. The atmosphere for this environmental pollution, it is termed as air. For the atmosphere, it is termed as air. For the hydrosphere, the environmental pollution, it is termed as water. For the lithosphere, in this environmental pollution, it is termed as soil. The biosphere. What is this biosphere, friends? Those living organisms which are capable to absorb air, water and soil, which are capable for absorb air, water and soil are known as biosphere. So, whom do you think the biosphere? We living organisms, friends. We living organisms are the biosphere. So, those who are present on this earth are from the biosphere, like which are reflected to air, water and soil is known as biosphere. So friends, let us learn each in brief. Let us know what is an air pollution, friends. Air pollution. The definition of air pollution is, can anyone guess the definition? Okay friends, let me say that. Those toxic substances directly released in the form of gas to the atmosphere, which leads to the air pollution. Those toxic substances direct release in the form of gases for the effect in the atmosphere gives us the air pollution, friends. Gives us the air pollution. For this live model, friends, you can see what is the actual air pollution. What is the actual air pollution, friends? Here you can see the air pollution. Right, friends? This is one of the model of air pollution. You can see. And also friends, you can here remind this, air pollution is here, water pollution is here and also the soil pollution is here. Air pollution, water pollution and the soil pollution. So friends, and the next one, here you can see the volcanic eruption. It leads to the air pollution and also with the water pollution. Air pollution and also to the water pollution, friends. Is this model is clear for you all? Yes, friends. Now let us see one of the type of air pollutions. Some types of air pollution, friends. Smoke and radiation. First, listening about the smoke. Here you can see the small particle is here. You can see this is cigar, friend, tobacco, right? Yes, this is a kind of air pollution. So let us know the definition of smoke. The tiny particles which are made up by this reacts with the carbon. This reacts with the carbon and gives out the hot gas. Gives out the hot gases. And this is about the smoke. This is about the smoke, my dear friends. So the tiny particles which are compounds of carbon and gives out the hot gases. Gives out the hot gases into the air. Is known as air pollution of smoke. And the next one is radiation, friends. Radiation. You can see this, friend, radiation. So, the source of earth, the source of sun, the sun releases the ultra rays, ultra visible rays, infrared, gamma rays, etc. rays which are thrown from the sun. These are directly absorbed, these are taken by the air and leads us with the air pollution. This leads with the air pollution, friends. So, radiation is one of the causes of air pollution, friends. So, friends, the two types of causes of air pollutions are smoke and radiation, friends. Smoke and radiation. Friends, you can see in this live model of air pollution. You can see this live model, right? What is happening here? Friends, what is happening? Yes, the companies, the factories and also the transports are releasing the air to the atmosphere, right? It is releasing the air to the atmosphere. Yes, this is the causes of air pollution, friends. So you can see the company, this is one of the company. Yes, it is releasing the toxic gases into the atmosphere. This is releasing, right? Yes, and the vehicles, friends, these vehicles are releasing the toxic gases. And these companies, friends, these companies, all these companies are releasing the gases. You can see this, friends. Yes, how the gases are releasing, and these are the causes of air pollution, friends. You can here know, friends, the other causes of air pollution. So the causes of air pollutions are factories, companies, and also the transports are some causes of air pollution. Now let us recap a small incident which was happened in our Bhopal, India. What was this incident? In the year of 1984, a pesticide gas was released to the air. The pesticide gas was released to the air. The small pesticide gas was released, but it did with a huge difference. It made a huge difference. So friends, the small pesticide, huge difference. Those are balanced? No, friends. Small, big, not balanced at all. So here, friends, when the pesticide gas was released to the atmosphere, and the thousands and thousands of people died in only in one day. Can anyone imagine only in one day how the people are dying? Only due to the pesticide gas which was released into the air was killed thousands of people. Yes, not only the thousands of people, friends, hundred of people were permanently injured. Till now, friends, they are permanently injured. So friends, here making a small causes which are without any instructions, without any cause harmful, when we will think it is not harmful, but friends, to our environment it is very harmful. Yes, small pesticide gas made a huge difference. So just think, friends, how this made a huge concept on the death of the peoples. Yes, now let us know the health problems of this air pollution. Human health problems due to this air pollutions are asthma. Asthma is one of the air pollution effects. Human health problem is major due to asthma. And the next one is heart diseases. And another one is skin cancer. So friends, skin cancer, heart diseases, and also the asthma. These are the major causes of health problems due to air pollution. And not only the health problems due to this air pollution, but the environment, the earth also has problems. What are those? The trees were getting down, the trees were destroying, the trees were deforested, and the plants were dying. Animals, birds, etc. were also dying. Animals, birds, and etc. were also dying. And not only this, the ozone sinks down. What is this ozone sinks down? The earth has a blanket, right? The earth has a blanket. Those blanket which keeps the protective layer of the earth, the ozone layer. So as this air pollution is increased, the ozone layer is sinking down. The air pollution increase, ozone layer sinks down. So several earth problems are due to air pollution, friends. So this is about the air pollution, friends. Now let us know about the water pollution. What is this water pollution, friends? So let us do a small experiment before knowing this definition, friends. So a small definition before this experiment. Some toxic substances which are mixed with the water leads with the water pollution. Some toxic substances which are mixed with the water leads to the water pollution. So friends, let us do the live experiment here to know this water pollution. Yes friends, just see what I am doing here to see the differences of water and water pollution. Yes friends. Yes friends, in each of this beaker, they are pure water friends. These are all pure water friends. So this pure water, and this is a empty beaker. This I am putting a pure water. Yes friends, the pure water is kept in this beaker. Yes, you can see the same pure water in each of this beaker. You can see this is a pure water. We can drink it, right? Do you have a doubt that we can drink or not? Let me think one of the beaker. Let us do ABCD, right? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So friends, this is a pure water, right? And this is also pure water. But I will take this beaker for making the clear, okay? Yes, I will drink some of this water. Yes. Yes friends, this is a pure water, right? Because we have proved that this is a pure water. Yes, let me add some of the chemicals to this. Yes. You can see friend what actually is happening to the water pollution. Yes friends, this is the water pollution. This is the water pollution. Yes, this is a fresh water. These are the water pollution. You can see this, right? Yes friends. Now one more definition for a water pollution. Yes, some toxic substances which can be seen, but some can't be seen. Some are floating garbage into it. Some are pure but full of chemicals. You can see this, right? Again, once more I will repeat this. Some toxic substances which can be seen, and some which can't be seen, and the other one floating garbage into it, and the other one which is pure but full of chemicals, So friends, this is pure water and this is not pure water. This is water pollution friends, which is taken in our surrounding places. So let me once say what I have added. So here I have added the food color to take this, the water pollution. You can see this. Yes friend, this is a water pollution. Yes, in this I have added the vinegar. Here you can see you can't see, not even smell. Do you think this is a pure? No, this is not at all pure. And next one, here floating garbage into it, algae water, full of dirty water. You can see and you can even smell it. And the last one, you can't even smell, but you can see it. You can't even smell because I have added the oil. Yes friend, these are the some causes of water pollution. Let us know the other things about the water pollution. The other things about the water pollutions are pathogens. What is this pathogens? The domestic sewages are known as pathogens. The domestic sewages like the urine, the fecal matter of the domestic animals are known as pathogens. Organic waste, leaves, algae, and also the organic waste which are found in our surrounding places is known as the organic waste. BOD levels. The BOD level is nothing but biological oxygen level. Biological oxygen level is BOD. Next one is we have the 4 levels of BOD levels friends. So coming to the first one is fluoride, sulfate, nitrate and lead. Fluoride, sulfate, nitrate and lead. Fluoride, we get brown teeth. Fluoride, due to this fluoride we get brown teeth. And next, due to the sulfate and with the lead we get bones damage. Due to this lead we get bone damage, and due to the sulfate we get the blue baby syndrome. Due to the sulfate we get blue baby syndrome. Yes friends. And for the nitrate we get the lacrimal gland effect. The lacrimal gland effect. So friends, these are the BOD levels. To avoid all this, we have to avoid the fluoride, sulfate, lead and nitrate in our BOD levels. And the other one is chemicals. Acid due to mining and the oils are the chemicals due to water pollution. Let us know about the effects. What are the effects of this? Diarrhea, skin cancer, skin diseases, malnutrition are the effects of this water pollution. And next let us go to the soil pollution friends. What is the soil pollution? With this live experiment, let us know what is soil pollution. Yes, taking these two containers which is filled with soil. Yes, now let me add some biodegradable and non-biodegradable into this. Biodegradable item. Yes friends, in one of this I am adding biodegradable, which are composed of microorganisms, and in others I am adding some non-biodegradable. Non-biodegradable. Yes friends, this is biodegradable and this is non-biodegradable. And again now I am adding some thermocol balls which are frequently used in our surrounding places. Yes. And again let us cover all with this soil. Yes friends, you can see here the differences of this. You can see the differences friends. The soil pollution, here they are composed of microorganisms and these are not composed of microorganisms. This is about the soil pollution. And now let us know the causes of soil pollution. Pesticides. There are three types. They are herbicides, insecticides and fungicides. Herbicides, insecticides and fungicides. Plastics are one of the causes of soil pollution. And the another one is effects. What are the effects due to soil pollution? Skin diseases, allergy are some of the soil pollution effects. And now let us go due to the global warming and greenhouse effect. Global warming. What is this global warming? How the warm gets? So global warming gets the globe, you are getting warm. Globe, you are getting warm. And when this slogan is here by the globe releases the temperature. The globe releases the temperature. The warning of globe is taken. The raise in temperature and the polar ice caps get melt. The polar ice caps get melt. When this polar ice caps get melt, the ultraviolet rays, the visible rays, infrared rays and the other rays which are present on the source of earth, they are directly coming. They are directly coming and leads to acid rain. This leads to the acid rains friends. When these acid rains are here, it leads to Taj Mahal erosion. This leads to the Taj Mahal erosion. When these acid rains are happen, the Taj Mahal erosion is getting. You can see the before Taj Mahal and the after Taj Mahal. The symbol of love is getting polluted. The symbol of love is getting polluted day by day. So friends, let us now know the methods of success. The method of success. What is this method of success? To coming the prevention of this environmental pollution, we have to plant more trees, use eco-friendly products, recycle and buy the recycled ones, use efficient fuels, recombination, reduce thermal recombination, and also we have to use efficient fuels of CNG and LPG gases. Plant more and more trees to balance the environment. And friends, here pollution is one of the biggest problem which is there in every surrounding places. So here we the students of this Gurukulam society and the Indian new generation hereby take the promise to stop all this pollution like air, water and the soil pollution, because we are educated friends, so we have to avoid all this and we have to educate the illiterate person to stop each of this pollution. We have to stop each of this pollution, which the air, the soil which we take as food, the air where we breathe and the water which we drink. The short term of this title, which is our Mother Earth. Friends, let us protect our Mother Earth. Though, friend, here we are, here by there with our environmental pollution capture. Thank you and thank you one and all. At last but not the least, I thank to my Gurukulam Society Secretary Sir, RCO Sir, Vice Principal, Principal Sir, and also my dear mentors and my dear lovely friends. At last but not the least, I thank to the TISA studio for giving this wonderful opportunity. Thank you so much.